Morning! You guys, napunta ako ng LBC sa Occidente. 5. Kinuha ko yung package. Pinadala na ako ng package ni Cecilia Patulot. Thank you so much. Hindi ko in-expect ganito karami. Sabi niya, papadala niya ako ng mi goreng. You guys, look at this. Look it! My gosh. Like isang LBC box talaga. Meron, you counted it. How many? 24? 24! Merong hot and spicy. Ito yung hinahanap ko yun. Hindi ko nahanap kaya hindi ako bumili. And then, meron din nung original. Ito. Thank you, Cecilia Patulot. And I got a package from NAG Essentials as well. She gave me 2 liquid lipsticks. Ito. Bizou. Yan. O, diba social? Bizou. 2 shades. Ito yung swatches. Yan. Actually, super ganda ng swatch. And nag-dry na siya ng matte. Swinatch ko to siguro mga 5 minutes ago. And nag-matte na siya. Itatry ko siya sa lips ko soon. I really like ito, yung pinkish na shade. And then, she gave me the coffee milk salt scrub. Yung favorite ko na scrub. Thank you, sis. I-leave ko yung link ni NAG Essentials below. But yeah. Thank you. Ito, excited ako gamitin. Pero yeah. Nice. Thanks. Magluluto na ako ng mi goreng kasi gustong-gusto ko na. Just one, babe? Let's just share.
I'm gonna eat one mouthful.
Sige.
How much water?
Water? Yeah. Right there. Do you know how to open it? The other one, babe. Yeah. Here. Oops. This is a savage. Okay, open. Okay. That's a small one. You want a big one? It's not cold. No, get my water.
Where's your water?
It's in the fridge. Upstairs.
Is it?
Yeah. The
Up here?
Yep, the one in the door. It's pink. Lavender. Yummers. Naghanap ng tubig sa dan. Tinry niya to. Sobrang spicy. Hindi naman sobra, pero yeah. Hindi siya mahilig sa spicy. Maghanap ng tubig. He will eat the falafel. This is from Shawarma Gourmet. Tinake out namin siya. Ang ingay ni Sachi. Focus. Tinake out namin siya kahapon. So, falafel. Tapos yung sauce niya. Ang cute na yung sauce na lang. Yummers ito. You will warm it up? Sige. Dito kami sa Alberto's kasi gusto na Dan magkalo-halo. Look at you, babe. You look so good. Ooh, hello. Hello. This is still rocky. We moved kasi yung table sa taas rocky. Tapos ito. We ordered shakes. Tapos mamaya maghahalo-halo kami. Magti-take out din kasi kami para kay na mama. And we got banana. So, naglakad kami dun sa nakakaloka itong taong. Gusto niya maglakad. And then, we got bananas. Kasi gusto niya mag-milkshake. There you go. Our number is 30. Ganyan yung mango shake with ice cream. It's only 35. Tapos akin. Sure. Thank you. And then, mango shake lang akin. Plain. Walang ice cream. Is it good? Yay! Sobrang mura lang, guys. 25 lang yung akin. Kay Dan, 35.
You get no ice cream?
Yeah, it's good. I like it. Really nice. If this is done, we're about to get married. We can get married.
We could.
Yeah, just look at the inside here. The inside is actually really cool. See, that's what Mom is saying. Like all the things are up there.
Yeah. This won't be ready for years, babe.
Nah, I don't think so.
I feel.
This is it.
This is the better one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is it. Yeah, this is the only one.
Is it?
Yellow. Which one do you want?
Yeah, let me just film.
Which one do you want? We got barbecue. There's more there. Yummers. Lobas kami kanina. So how was it?
I don't know what they said, yeah.
No, how's your experience going out?
Good.
Yeah? You liked it?
I did.
Oh, look at your shirt. Sexy. Sexy. So sexy, this guy.
Ooh.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yay. You love it? Nice.
Very good.
What are you filming? You want to say good morning?
No. I'm not vlogging, I'm just going to film for you. You can put this in fast forward.
Now let's tell them where we're going in. Are you filming me?
Where are we going?
SM. Go girl! Going to SM, people! Just us. And boy and me. Wow, okay. Cool. That's tuk-tuk, babe. Are my eyes red, babe?
No.
No? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Traffic. We're following this big truck and this motorbike. Go, buddy. Okay, mana, babe?
What's that?
Mana? You know what's mana? Dito na kami sa SM. Nagpunta kami ng Octagon. Meron lang akong binili. And then now, pupunta kami sa Jollibee. Kasi ako tayo ng Jollibee. This guy. Babe. Babe. Sige, let's go upstairs, babe. We're here. 2 pieces chicken yung kay Dan. Akin, 1 piece. Spicy yung akin. Sa kanya, regular. Yummers! Tapos Coke Zero lang. That's it. Kain. Oh, she's here. She's here. Girl. She's here. I can't connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, let me vlog, right? Nandito kami sa government services. Did it move? No. 5,000, ano ako 65. Tapos yung sa PRC, 5,046 pa. But yeah, nagla-lunch pa si ate. I got this. Yeah, I do. Wet.
Wet wipes?
Yep.
Nah, I need tissues.
I got this sa ano kanina. Sa nakalimutan ko basta ano bilihan ng mga eyeglasses tapos contacts. And then yeah, I got update here. It's para sa aking mata. Ginamit ko na siya kasi yung mata ko red. 215.
Sorry?
215, right? We're still here. Meron ako na meet. Nandun siya. Nandun. Meron ako na meet. Si... Ano? Dun siya over Rochelle yung pangalan niya. Nahiya. Hintay pa namin yung ano ka. Number. 65. Tapos ngayon 57 na. Look at my lens, babe. So dirty. Didn't know that I ordered something to clean this?
Did you?
Yeah. Ah, nice. Bibili si Miss ng ano, luggage.
Oh, what the name of red?
And ito maganda. Classy. Asan na si Dan? Ano na. Yan yung mga regalo. Ito binili na ni Miss. Yung backpack kay Miss. Tapos, mga pangregalo. Share lang kami ni Miss. Ibigay sa mga kapatid at kay Papi at kay Mama. Papunta kami sa Lantaw. I'm not sure kung ngayon na kami aalis. Pero, pupunta kami doon to meet my friends. Magdi-dinner kami kasama yung mga friends ko sa call center. Yeah. Si Dan pa yung nagdala ng luggage si Miss. Dadalhin namin ito sa bahay. Sasakay namin siya. Tapos si Miss, dito na muna siya. Bibili kami ng drink. Which one do you like? Citrus Splash? Stress Release? Diet Secret? Diet
Berry
Secret.
Heaven. Berry Heaven.
What?
Berry Heaven.
Berry Heaven?
Berry
Where? Thank you. 500? Do you have 500?
Okay, I'm filming then.
Yeah? Hello! Punta kami sa Lantaw. In-meet namin yung mga friends ko. Are you excited? Yeah? The traffic though, yung ano namin, usapan namin is 5 and it's already 5:30. So, pero ano, mga 20 minutes ago they said they're on their way. So, siguro late din sila kasi the traffic. We will have good food, Filipino food. Yummers! Excited?
Excited.
Yes.
And cut.
Where are they?
Let them there. Their hands up. Hello everyone. Hello, hello.
Nawala ka siya, Mare! Nawala ka siya sa iyong tao! Dali galing ka.
What do you want to say?
Nagpag-green sa iyo mo.
Kinsa?
Kata ko yung friend nga idol ka sa kuan.
Char yun ang idol.
Kakuan siya.
Sino?
Shout out siya niyo.
Dito kami. Okay lang. Mga friends
Hello,
ko.
Rachel subscriber.
Si Grizzly, si Charles, si Rain. Rain!
Ay, hindi makita.
Kim!
Nagtatagalog na yan, Mare.
Sino nagtatagalog? Nag-order na sila itong mga taong. Nag-order na mo? Sure, Jud? Yay!
Something like that.
Yeah, no, fair enough.
Yeah. Because he used to like.
I'm so glad you're sitting right next to him.
Yeah.
Yay!
I'm still waiting for this. Dito yung food. Yummers. Baked scallops. Pansit. Tinola. Oh, wow! Crispy pata.
Oh my god. Like hello. Like where's
Walang spoon si Rain. Rain, I think you should do a you should create a channel tapos mag-vlog
Yeah,
ka.
I will.
Oh, diretso oy.
Sure. I asked you to say. Yeah, don't worry guys.
Siya pala yung basher ko all along. Siya pala yung... Hello, basher! Hello, basher! Hello, guys! Uy, ang ingay natin dito, grabe.
Mare, ganina mo siya ni Mare. Buntag pa ka.
Hala, si Kim, mamamatay na. Okay, kain. Ang pinakahihintay ng chicken. Kala namin ang dami. Konti lang pala. Do you like it?
Chicken man,
You don't? Okay.
Butter, gani.
They have you heard about the news before that they're putting
Nakahanap ng katapat si Dan. Dan, patay ka. Ay, hilo mo eh, oh.
Ano mo naman eh?
And that was scary. Don't film.
I'm supporting him.
Film him.
I will.
Now, saying
I
how-
will create videos soon.
How much?
Alec Tuhan.
Tapos na kami kumain. Sino? Alec?
Alec Tuhan.
Hi, Alec! Sama ko si Kim.
What's that?
Gusto mo
Like that?
makafollow sa Instagram? I-shoutout natin yung Instagram mo.
Kaya lang.
Ay!
What's that?
Ilalagay ko yung Instagram nila below. Ikaw, Mare. Oh, nag-Instagram story to si Mare. Lalagay ko yung Instagram
Greet
niya.
my friend.
Sino?
Mersha Molaneda.
Mersha Molineta,
She's a follower of
hi!
yours.
Thank you!
Uy, kikita
Sama ko
ka
si
niya ha,
Christy.
Mersha.
Post kuan
Ano?
birthday greeting ni Alec.
Belated happy birthday, Alec. Thank you. Ikaw, Mare. May shoutout ka?
Mare, nakita mo? Did you see the video, Mare? Oh my God.
He's
Which
gonna hate
video?
it. He's gonna.
Oh yeah, he's my hater. Naghintay na kami ng break. Sino, Charles? Sino, Charles?
Si Ana Noval.
Hi, Ana Noval.
Hi, Ana Noval.
I'm with Charles. Pauwi na kami after magbayad.
Or before magbayad.
Pauwi na kami. Tapos na kami kumain. Grabe, ang haba ng U-turnan ko nito. Kasi walang U-turn malapit dito. Alis na. Bye! Bye!
I gotta say.
Bye! Hi!
Oh, God, you're...
Bye!
Bye, Mare.
We are home! Nag-review ako kanina and yeah, sobrang late ko siya na-update and kakarating lang namin ng bahay. Grabe, late na. What time is it? Oh, that's Australia time. 10:30 na ata. And yeah, i-remove ko lang yung makeup ko kasi katatapos ko lang mag-update. And then I need to edit a video. Kasi wala akong video para bukas. We were out like whole day today. It's been a long day, you guys. Oh well. I had fun though. Sobrang fun. Did you have fun, babe?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. Sobrang saya. Like, the last time I saw my friends was 3 years ago. Minsan lang talaga kami magkita. Yeah, and yeah, every time magkikita kami, like, we're annoyingly loud. Sobrang ingay namin, grabe. And we just had a blast. So, thank you so much, friendships, mga mari ko. Should I edit the vlog or the review?
The review.
Review, right? And then do the vlog? Yeah, I'll edit the review and then upload the vlog. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll just remove makeup. I look really... And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. What are you gonna do? You're gonna come in? Please like, please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to be goodbye. Good night.